Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Peek. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the best drones of 2022. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications to stay updated with the latest technology videos out there. 6. Holy Stone HS720E. This quadcopter is one of the most expensive ones ever produced by Holy Stone, but at the same time, it offers the best features compared to the other products designed by the brand. For just $299, you can record 4K video footage, it has intelligent flight modes, return home feature, and some other amazing characteristics. Being quite nerdier, this drone is equipped with an optical sensor, GPS, HD video stream, and 23 minutes of flight time. The design is almost the same as its predecessor. It's slim and it comes only in black. While using its remote controller, the drone can fly up to 3,280 feet, while if you use it in FPV mode, the drone can get 1,640 feet away from you. The drone weighs 1.1 pounds, which allows him to easily handle wind gusts while it's in the air. The remote controller was upgraded to a 5G signal, and you must use your smartphone to pilot the drone. For the price and features this aircraft offers, the Holy Stone HS720E is a great option. 5. DJI Mini 2. My best pick for beginners. With this drone, you can shoot videos in 4K, but if you want to make audio visuals during the night, maybe this drone isn't the best option. But the key spec of this drone is its weight. 250 grams. This means you don't have to register the product in the FAA, according to the latest updates for sub 250 gram drones. I recommend you to check the latest updates on the FAA website. Compared to its older version, DJI now introduced this drone with upgraded features like a high quality camera and OcuSync, which allows the aircraft to transmit real-time videos in 720p or 1080p. Even though the drone weighs 250 grams, it has no issues maintaining stability while flying due to the upgraded motors included in it. The drone can be folded and unfolded, which makes it easily carryable while traveling. For $599, you get a high-performance drone with professional features to start diving into the aerial photography industry. To fly it, you will have to use your phone through the DJI's app, along with the remote controller included in the package. The controller has simple buttons, making it easy to fly for you. 4. DJI Mavic 3. DJI once again. The company is well recognized for making amazing products for professionals. That's probably why, in my opinion, it's the most popular drones company out there. The magic about the DJI Mavic 3 is the image quality it can produce in video footage. It comes with a dual camera, but I normally use the main camera as it offers the best quality image. You can record videos of up to 5.1K at 50 frames per second and 4K videos at 120 frames per second. With this drone, you can also adjust the ISO, just like a normal camera. Unbelievably, besides all the high performance features it offers, this item weighs only 900 grams. While the drone is in the air, it can fly at speeds of up to 47 miles per hour. The different modes included in this product provide independent flying experiences. Like all the Mavic models, the DJI version is foldable and easily carryable wherever you go. Its dimensions are 221 by 96.3 by 90.3 millimeters when folded, and 347.5 by 283 by 207.7 millimeters when unfolded. Whether you are a professional or you are just starting out, the safety features and the flight modes make this drone an excellent option if you can afford it. The drone costs $2,049 at the moment on Amazon. 3. Ryze Tello. The drone released in 2018 remains today one of the best options in the market due to its price and features. When you get it out of the package, the drone is almost set to fly. Just download the app on your phone and you are ready to go. The flight time is set to 13 minutes in the papers, but it can be a little shorter after some use. Some reviews around the web assured that the real-time flight, when they tested the drone, was 11 minutes instead of 13. Like most professional drones, this one is highly portable and lightweight. You can even take it in your pocket. Apart from some specific features that are not so relevant, the main difference with DJI drones is their price. It only costs $79.99 on Amazon, while the DJI drones fluctuate between $499 and almost $2,999, depending on the model you pick. Even if you can use it outdoors, this drone is perfect to be used indoors, as the stability is not as good as the DJI family. If you are flying outdoors, it's highly recommendable to check the weather before you start your aerial photography session. 2. DJI Mavic Pro. Are you looking to buy a small drone? This is the one. Both the remote controller and the drone itself are highly portable and foldable. But that doesn't make it a good drone, as it has to record high-quality footage too. Nevertheless, this one can register 4K video footage. The quadcopter is perfect for YouTubers, video editors, and professional audio-visual creators. Besides, the drone includes safety features such as intelligent flight modes and return home attributes, so you'll never miss it. In comparison with the Mavic design, this one is lighter and it comes in its silver version. When folded, the drone dimensions are 3.3 by 3.3 by 7.8 inches and its weight is 1.6 pounds. On average, the flight time with one charge of its battery is 28 minutes. But if you want, you can buy an extra battery or two for $89 each. And talking about prices, the current price on Amazon of this drone is $1,735. Its weight and its features make this drone highly stable while in the air. But as always, it won't maintain stability during a storm, for example. 1. DJI Air 2S. This drone offers a lot of new features over the Mavic Pro, and that's what makes it the best on my list. The star feature this drone recently includes on the DJI family is the 20MP sensor, which insanely improves the image quality of the aircraft, and compared to the Mavic Pro, it gives a much better ISO response. In consequence, this quadcopter can record videos at 5.1K at 30 frames per second, 4K at up to 60 frames per second, and 1080p video at 120 frames per second. The drone is even lighter than the Mavic Pro. It only weighs 595 grams compared to the 1.6 pounds mentioned before. Therefore, the drone can even fit in your pants pocket, so you can transport it easily wherever you go. The dimensions are 180 by 97 by 80 millimeters when folded, and 183 by 253 by 77 millimeters when unfolded. The controller remains the same in both the Mavic Pro and the Mavic Air 2S. The drone offers upgraded safety features as well as new flight modes like the master shots. So whether you are a beginner or an expert, these features will make it really difficult for the drone to crash in normal weather conditions. Another huge difference between the two models is the price. The Air 2S only costs $999 on Amazon right now. That's a wrap for the best drones of 2022. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications to stay updated with the latest technology videos out there. If you love this video, I highly recommend you watch this video here on the top left about the best budget drones for beginners. Well, see you in the next one. Take care.